42 layers. No kneading, no dough roller. Yes, no dough roller. Time saver scallion pancake. We are going to make it today. What's make it no kneading? And how to make it crispy outside but chewy inside layer by layer. How to make it more flavorful. Before we start, let's go to buy the secret ingredient together. Our lifesaver. This is our market. Let's go and buy. It's closing. We have to get happy.
Close to you. There's nothing else I wanna do.
I am looking for a fresh one. Okay, we are done. Okay, we get our secret ingredient, dumpling wrapper. I'll make one thing that make it more flavorful. It is roux, the roux. This time we only need the green part. Chopped finely, scallion, flour, salt, sugar, and some peppers. Pour a quarter cup of oil and make it boil. Are you ready? Wow! This process pushes everything into next level. Mix well, and it forms a paste. Okay, this is pretty easy, right? So we coat one layer here. Coat one layer of our scallion roux. Second layer. Press a little bit, and then we coat second layer. All the roux coat every single layer. We are going to use 6 layers. Third, same. Third layer we can squish a little bit. Make it flatter. See, this is bigger now, a little bit bigger. Fourth layer, and then squeeze a little bit from the center and press another side. We also squeeze a little bit. Rainbow 要整好件衫係嘛 ？Okay, Mama help you. Okay, you are going to work. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, done. You continue the fourth layer. This one. Press a little bit. It's bigger and coat another layer. Yeah, bigger. Bigger. One more layer. Ooh. Yeah. We cut all our layer, and now last piece. Press it. Pull a little bit. Pull a little bit from center. And now we are doing make it bigger. Press inside, side to outside. Oh, Flaky, we don't need it. Squish out. Pull the whole thing gently. Turn. Use your finger to press to make it bigger. See, it is now almost my hand size. Thank you. Tastes so good, my Rainbow. Thank you. Kisses. Thank you, Rainbow. Oh, you're so good today. She's in a good mood now. And we make it bigger. We can use our hand without using the dough roller. I know some people, they don't have the dough roller, so I decide to use with our hand. Although I got the dough roller. You see, this is already my hand size. It's my hand size. It's much bigger. Okay, we can put a little bit longer. Very important part to make it layer by layer. We can make it a lot of layers. It's around 48 layers. How? We cut through the dough. Cut through it without cutting the end. We cut from here. See my finger here? We cut from here, but without cutting the end of both ends. Make sure it cut through. And it's around 1 inch. Hi, Papa. 1 cm width. See. Make sure it's cut through. It is very important, and then you will know later why. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. I can cut one more. High was. Can you see that? I cut it high from here, but not cutting through. I keep the end here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we start to higher beep beep. And now we are going to roll it up. Start from the first one. Fold it up. Roll it inside. 1, 2, and fold. 3, 4. I got 7 sections. 6 times 7 is 6 times 7. 42 layers. That is 42 layers. And rolled and rolled. Ta-da! This is 42 layers. And now we twist the scallion dough. Then roll it and make it longer.
Dada.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dada.
Dun dun. You finished, Rainbow?
Dada.
You finished?
Sissy.
Sissy. Whoa. She's saying thank you.
Tippy.
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 Tippy, what is this, Rainbow? And then roll it longer. We make it longer. Twist and make it longer. See, how long is that? Before it is our hand size, and now it's, see, it is more than my hand size. It's very long. Now we can hold the end and roll inside and form a snail shell shape. For the little tail, we can tuck at the back and then use our palm to gently press it. Flip another side and then press it. Ta-da! Ta-da! Let me smells so good. Okay, this is our finished scallion pancake dough, and I'm going to make the rest of them. Hold on! This is my finished 6 scallion time saver pancake. Wow! And I'm going to pan fry it. Okay, we spray a little bit oil. Cook 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat. Okay, let's check and flip. Ooh! If you want more chewy inside, you can cover lid. But if you want to more crispy, then you just open it and wait until brown color. If you want more flaky, you can use spatula to push it like that, and it will be more flaky. Wow! Look at our crispy and chewy scallion pancake. We are going to test it. Oh, okay. So far yummy. Look at that. It's layer by layer. See? Ooh.